This is such a good question. So, typically, a spirit of exploitation typically comes in through relationship, right? And so the first thing that I would recommend is forgiving the person who exploited you, forgiving the person who took advantage of you, forgiving them for whatever they did that led to X, Y, and Z. And even if, if there were financial ties where you actually lost time or money or resources, we need to forgive so that we can stay free, right? Because forgiveness is more for us than it is for the other person. It's not saying that what the person did was right. It's simply saying I release them from my debt. If you're not totally sure, where you stand on forgiveness, I would recommend going back to review my videos on that, where I kind of walk you through that step by step. We also do cover this in the keys to emotional forgive the person. That's step number 1. Number 2 is ask God what he wants to give you in exchange. Because there's always an exchange when we operate in justice and truth and kindness, and we position our hearts to forgive. God is always willing to give us what we deserve from him, which is his goodness and his mercy and his truth and whatever was stolen from that relationship. And then continually looking to him as your source of restoration and recompense. So often, especially if we're dealing with a narcissist or somebody who is just a deeply wounded person, we won't get back from them what they took from us. And most of them could never repay what they took from us in the first place. So making sure that you are looking to the Lord for your restoration. And then I would consider getting an inner healing session or, with somebody who does inner healing prayer to really go after the soul wounds, because that's where, if we don't let those heal, that's where we're going to continually trip over ourselves. I hope that this helps you.